In this video, let us talk about the for each loop in Java. We use for each loops to iterate over arrays and collections. So let me show you for each loops. So I'm gonna start by declaring a string array and let us name it as favorite colors: red, orange, green, violet, pink, and blue. Now let us say we want to iterate over this array and print each color on the terminal. For this, you can use any of the for loops that we learned about earlier, but for this, let us make use of the for each loop, which has a very easy and clean syntax. So for this, we first type the for keyword, then our pair of parentheses. Now within the parentheses, we specify the loop variable. Now the type of loop variable should be based on the type of the items that are present in our array. So here we are having a string array. So that means every item in this array is also a string. So here we should declare a variable of type string and let us call it as color. And then we type a colon and then the name of our array or collection, which is favorite colors. Now in each iteration, color will hold the value of one item in this array. Now if we print the color to the terminal and run the file, we get all the colors of array logged to the terminal. Now there are a couple of limitations of the for each loop. One is that we can always iterate over the collection from beginning to end. So limitations of for each loop, that means that we cannot iterate over the collection from the end to the beginning using a for each loop. So reverse iteration is not possible. In contrast, we can easily do so with any other loop. So this was all I wanted to cover in this video. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up or comment down below if you have any query. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's catch up in the very next one.